guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today's makeup look is this makeup look and using all my Boxycharm month of June product, and I really like it how it turned out. And I only paid $25 for a month and I got $166 worth of product. And yeah, that's the reason I really like Boxycharm, because you get to try different kind of brand which you never tried. And I'll leave everything in my description box below. If you guys are interested, you guys can check it out. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I create this makeup look and what I got in my Boxycharm box, so please keep on watching. Hi guys, so first thing, as you know by the title, I'm opening up for Boxycharm for month of June. I received it today. I'm so excited to open it up. And if you don't know the Boxycharm is monthly subscription for beauty box, and it's $25 for a month and plus $5 shipping fee. If you live in States, then you don't have to pay for shipping fee, I believe. And yeah, it's like you get 5 full-size product, and it's like a worth of like a $170 or $200, I believe so yeah, let's open up my box. And first thing I open up, and you will able to see the card. So every month has the like a theme of the box. So this one is Dare to Dazzle, and you will see all the item description at the back and including the prices. So yeah, so first thing I see this eyeshadow palette. This is Give Them Lala Beauty. I never heard of this brand. This is the Grown Woman palette. So I'm not sure what is that, like a Grown Woman palette. And once I open it, it has a really good size mirror. And look at the eyeshadow sizes, it's so big. I'm not sure how the swatches will be. And look at this, like, let me swatch the shimmer one. Wow, it's so pretty, and it's so like a pigmented. I have to play with it to see how it works on my eye. So let's see how much this palette is. This one is $42. So next item, I got this eyelashes pack. So it has 2 different style of eyelashes and one tweezer to hold the eyelashes. This eyelashes pack is worth of $38. I got this Jacka Black's hydrate primer, and this is vegan friendly, cutie free. And yeah, I'm always try to get like a new primer, new skincare, and I'm gonna use it today. It's worth of $20. So next item, I got this Touch and Soul Glowdient makeup palette. So this is another eyeshadow palette. What is this? Is it eyeshadow palette or? Wow, look at the packaging. It's so nice, and it's gold. Wow, I like it. So makeup palette. Oh, this one is actually like a highlighter kind of highlighter palette. It has like a different color, or you can mix it. Wow, it's so pigmented. Look at it, it's so pigmented. Wow, that's really pigmented. I have to see. So this is, I can use as these 2 color for my eyeshadow, I believe so. They're so buttery and pigmented. Wow, that's so nice. I like it so far. I have to see on my face. Wow. So this one is $34. So last thing in my box is this big Glam Glow Super Cleansing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Wow, that's a really, wow, 150 gram. That's a big size for refining. So this one is $32. Wow. This one I can't use it right now because of, obviously I have to use it once I decided to use it. Maybe I have to use it for my, like once I take off my makeup, I guess. So I really like this box, and because I feel like I have my face palette, primer, I have eyeshadow palette, highlighter palette, and eyelashes as well. So yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna put the base on. So the total came up to $166 for this month of June box, and yeah, I only paid $25 and I got worth of $166 amount, like a product. I'm so happy. That's why I really like the Boxycharm, because you get to try a lot of different brand which you never heard of or which you never tried it before. So yeah, I will leave everything in my description box below. If you guys are interested, you can sign up over there. So let's get started. Just my moisturizer on. I'm gonna use this primer. This is the Jacka Black Hydrating Primer, and this is a really good size. And let's open it up. I like hydrating primer. It's like a white, like a cream texture look like. It feels so moisturizing, but it's not too oily or anything, and I like that texture. It's like it feels more like a moisturizing cream, but it's not more like a primer. So let's see how its foundation works on top of this primer. So I'm gonna use this Urban Cover foundation from Maybelline Cosmetics. This one is 128, and I'm just gonna I already have this eye, and like I already started, so I'm gonna show you this one. So first I'm gonna get this wifey shade, and I'm gonna put this all over like my crease area, and I'm just blending it out like an inward motion like that. Then Cabo Kisses, this red tone terracotta color, and it's very pigmented, and it's like you can build it up. It's not that like a wow, like one swatch, like you get that pigment. Like you can see the pigment is so vibrant on the pen, but not on the eye. So I'm going back and forth using this color, and I'm just putting on my crease because I want it to a little more dark tone, red tone, and it's blending it out really nice. I never heard of this brand, to be honest. Like this is so new, and it's okay like as a beginner of makeup. Like next I'm gonna get this pencil brush, and I'm just getting this dark reddish tone color, which is Cabo Kisses, and I'm gonna put this on my lower lashes. And there is no fallout at all, and which I like. This is not, it's not that powdery eyeshadow. Like there's no, like how when you get the eyeshadow you get the powder from the palette, but there's no not powderiness here. That's why I like it. Now I'm gonna go with this this color. This is called the Ring, and I'm just using my finger with my ring finger, and I'm gonna put this on my middle here. Same thing, I'm putting in my middle of this eyelid, and try to put this on my inner corner as well. I really like this this eyeshadow. This one is called the Ring, and it's like a buttery kind of feeling to it, and once I put it on my eye, it's blending it out really nice, and I like it so far. So for my waterline, I'm using my L'Oreal Lay Liner Signature Eye Pencil. This one is black, and I'm just putting on my tight line. Yeah, so far I like this eyeshadow palette because it's blending it out nicely, and you can get a lot of different eye makeup with this. So yeah, like it. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I will put the mascara off camera, then I'll be right back with the lashes. So for lashes, I'm going to use this one. It's totally new. I'm not sure how it's gonna be, because you know the lashes are, when it's too stiff, it's so hard to blend into your natural lashes. These ones are not mink lashes, they're like, you know, synthetic. Let me put this one, I'm gonna put this lashes and off camera, then I'll be right back. So lashes are on. So far I like it, the lashes. It's very natural, so for everyday. I like that you have another option, so you can use this another like a more like a wing shape kind of lashes. Yeah, I like it. So, and it's very lightweight too. It's not that, and it was so easy to put it on. Like, you know, sometimes the band is so hard to blend into your natural lashes. So moving on to face palette, this one Glowdient, I can't even pronounce, Glowdient makeup palette. This one is Touch and Soul. It's like highlighter palette. Look at this. So I'm excited. I'm gonna get this highlighter brush and I'm gonna try to mix these two color. Not sure, maybe these two color. It is so powdery, wow, and it's so pigmented. Wow, it's so pigmented. So I mixed these two color, and the glow. Wow, I really like this palette. It's so buttery and so smooth on your skin, and it's not chunky glitter or anything. Wow, so far I really like this. For my inner corner, I'm going to use this and this first shade together, and I'm gonna put this. There was no lipstick in the box, so I'm gonna use this lipstick. This one is Stella All Day Liquid Lipstick. This color is Tresero. I'll line my lips with this Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. And I'm gonna use this lipstick. This one is like a orange terracotta kind of color. This is my completed look using the Boxycharm box for month of June. And so far I really like it because I got the primer, eyeshadow, face palette, highlighter palette, and eyelashes. And so far I like the primer. It's like it makes my skin more smoother, and the foundation was glide on really nice and smoothly, which I like. And also my favorite is the highlighter. Look at the highlighter, it's so pretty, and I can use this highlighter palette as my eyeshadow as well. And also, like, the eyeshadow palette is not that bad, but it's too much. It's $42, so you can get $42 different kind of eyeshadow palette. Does that make any sense? So far I like it. And yeah, if you guys like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribing my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.